Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Finally got a new ride. Let's check it out. What we got here. I got my gear here and my camera operator. Let's make a few drone shots. Of course, they start cutting grass over here, so we gotta pack. Yeah, I gotta say, convertible is a bit easier with the little baby. Let's put the chairs inside. Ready? All right, so that makes the convertible a little bit more useful. What do we got right now? 81 degrees, so it's not super hot, but feels like 100 degrees. All right, let's close the top. The operation is pretty cool. You got just one button and it's all automatic. All right, so like I said, we got a new car on the channel, Chevy Camaro 2020 SS. This one comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine. It has about 450 horsepower. I just want to make this video super short. So in the next videos, you're gonna see some modifications done to the car, probably some autocross, different stuff with the car. Let me know if you like it, what you think about it. Not really a family hauler, but maybe next video I'll try to see if I'm gonna be able to fit 2 small kids on the back. All right, guys, see you next video. Sounds pretty decent.